How to buy jailstool token on MetaMask. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token on MetaMask, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now for that, we need the bridge because we don't have any way to buy this token directly on MetaMask because this token it's under the Solana network. So you need to add the Solana network first on MetaMask, and after that you need to use a bridge like Ethereum. So after you open the Ethereum, connect your wallet, click on connect. Now after you add the Solana network, you will see this different logo on MetaMask. Now click on MetaMask here. So after you connect your MetaMask to Ethereum, what you need to do, just click on continue, as you can see here. So after that, I will just click on connect here. So after that, click here and paste the token address that you copy from the screener. So after you find your token, click on it. So it will be appear here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, SOL, and make sure you have enough SOL on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. So after that, click on more info to read all of that information here. And after that, click on stop and you will be able to buy this token on your MetaMask via Ethereum. So this is how to buy jailstool token on MetaMask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.